In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get Bongo Cat cam on OBS Studio. So first of all, we have to download Bongo Cat plugin. So you just come to this link and you get this link on my video description box. Once you are in this page, click on releases. And here you'll find under assist, you find all of Bongo Cat plugin file. So if you're using 64-bit PC, then just click here to download the Bongo Cat zip file. Then go to your file explorer and unzip the file here. Now open the folder and here you get bongo.exe file. Just run the bongo.exe file on your PC. And here, as you can see, I've successfully enabled the Bongo Cat cam. And now it's that cute animated cat that reacts when you press keys or click your mouse. And now let's see how to add the Bongo Cat cam on your OBS Studio. So go to your OBS Studio, come to sources box here, click on this plus icon to create a new source. Select window capture and I'm typing here Bongo Cat cam and clicking on OK. And here click on this window drop down, select Bongo Cat for OSU and click on OK. And we can see the Bongo Cat successfully added. You can resize the Bongo Cat just like this.